channel. So in this video I've decided to make a cardigan. Well, I didn't literally make the cardigan, but what I did is I kind of like thrift flipped it. So I had a really old cardigan lying around, never wore it ever, but you know, you've seen these cute little ones where they tie up at the front, and I thought I'd use that inspo, but instead of actually keeping the sleeves I kind of just cut them off and created them into their own little puffy sort of sleeves from a shirt that I don't wear anymore either. So yeah, I really hope you enjoy this video and let's get to it. So I really hope you enjoyed that video, guys. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next one.